Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the INSTAPLay Wi-Fi UPS power backup for routers. So this is basically a mini inverter. So the idea is that you connect this to a router, keep it connected to a router, and when power goes out, which is a reality that we face in our country almost every day. So when the power goes out, the Wi-Fi will still keep running. It says it has up to 4 hours of battery backup. It's quick and easy to install. It also comes with intelligent charging. The same information here. Let's see if there's any more information on the box inside. Not really, just it says that there's only one unit in it. And that's more or less it. Let's open this box and show you what's inside. Over here there's a QR code that you can scan to install the app that you will use to control this particular device. I'll just get rid of this plastic wrap over here. So this is what you find inside the box. We have some documents first. This is the quick start installation guide on how to set up this device. This is the warranty card from INSTAPLay and a thank you note as well. So I'm going to keep these documents on one side. Next up we have some connecting cables. These are the adapter and a cable which you can use to charge more than one device if required. And finally we have the inverter itself. This is the mini Wi-Fi UPS as it's written over here. The model is UPS 120. It's a 12 volt UPS and the battery has a total charge of 3600 mAh. This is the in and out port, as you can see it's mentioned right over here. And this is the power on off button. Do we have charge in it right now? There is some charge in it. You'll notice that it's blinking red over here. And also there's an INSTAPLay logo on top. This is not a very large UPS. This is quite small and compact, so you can just leave it on top of the router if you want to. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the INSTAPLay Wi-Fi UPS power backup for routers. Thank you for watching.